3, 2, 1. We're pregnant!
What? No.
Oh my god. How exciting, you guys. Oh my god.
Yeah, I know, it's crazy. It kind of came out of nowhere. So
Yeah. Wow. Wow. Oh my god.
Terry, guess what? Terry, guess what?
You're pregnant.
Yes! How did you know?
Oh my god.
Hi, I'm pregnant.
I knew it. I thought you were like, big news is coming. I was like, she's pregnant.
I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant!
Oh my god. How many? Were you pregnant when you got married?
Yes, I didn't know I was pregnant.
Oh my god.
Bitch, guess what?
Huh?
I'm fucking pregnant.
What? What the fuck? When? At the wedding?
I was pregnant at the wedding, bitch. I didn't even know. Both of us were like,
Somebody calling me and she's pregnant. And I'm like, she is.
how did you know?
I'm psychic.
You.
Congrats. I'm so thank you for sharing that with me. You give me hope.
I have news for you.
What? You pregnant?
How did you guess?
Oh my gosh. Oh my god, congratulations. How fun.
Thanks, I know.
Congratulations.
Everyone from my tías to the brujas in my comment sections were convinced we were having a boy. And they were so wrong. All of the old school Mexican tradition superstitions were projected at us. I mean, people thought we were having a boy because I wasn't having cravings, because I wasn't gaining weight, because I had all this energy. What else did they tell us? Because they had a dream.
yeah, just everybody just said boy for
Yeah.
some reason. Nobody ever
because
said girl.
because my nips were darker. What? I heard your nips get darker no matter what. Oh, and no morning sickness. So basically, because I had no symptoms, I was having a boy. Because apparently, they said when you have a girl, it like takes your beauty, it takes your glow, it's miserable. Like people have these crazy predictions. And what did we have to tell them now, babe?
Don't project your predictions.
Yes, don't project your predictions because honestly, we were a little disappointed when we found out it was a girl only because we had started to get our hopes up. We're like, everyone's telling us it's a boy, so it's probably gonna be a boy. And I used to have tías that were brujas that used to use a pendulum and put it over the baby bump, and that's how they would predict the gender of the baby. I don't know what it is about this obsession with the baby gender reveal and trying to guess it, but this is your message or your sign not to project it. And well, anyway, you can watch our baby gender reveal, you can watch our reactions. Don't judge us, okay? Again, because of these superstitions and these projections, we were a little disappointed. You'll see it on our face. So enjoy this video and also see how my sister completely ruined the baby gender reveal for my husband.
Did you tell her about that?
I haven't. She'll probably see it in this video. Yeah, so just take a look. Today's the baby reveal day. We find out if it's going to be a girl or a boy. We're not stressed. Maybe he is stressed, but I'm not. I know God is going to give us exactly what we need. O sea, Diosito nos va a dar exactamente lo que necesitamos. Un niño. Pero estoy excited, amigas. Ya vamos al hospital y pues vamos a ver qué va a hacer. Alright, they're taking all my vitals. My blood pressure is pretty low. I've only gained a couple more pounds since last time, so I'm kind of happy about that. And I guess they're gonna do another blood work and then they're gonna give us the envelope. And we're gonna take the envelope back to my parents' house and we're gonna do the reveal there. Oh, the excitement and just like the anticipation is killing me, but I want to be with my family to find out what it's gonna be, a girl or a boy. Esperando. What's it gonna be? A girl or a boy? Ah! Hey, we find out what the baby is today. Are you nervous?
No, I'm ready. The envelope was coming in. Team healthy baby.
Are you getting used to the fact that you're a daddy now?
Yeah, it's getting closer. Baby bump.
Yeah, it's there now, right?
Hearing the heartbeat. We're now finding out the gender is just getting realer and realer.
Ooh, Big Daddy.
Big
Daddy
signing off. For now.
But now they do big old reveals. They do like where like all of a sudden like a popper comes out with like different colors.
I know. People
So
have
with
caught their
this
houses on
one-
fire though,
Yeah.
doing that.
With this one, the cake is
Look who's
white
here!
on the outside
Oh my God, are we ready? Are we ready?
Team boy.
Team boy or team boy?
That's why blue. Team boy.
Team boy, team boy, team boy, team girl, team girl. Team boy, team girl. Team girl.
ordered both a girl and a
Team
boy
girl. Mami, ¿qué
I
equipo
ordered
le vas?
both
Team
a
girl
boy
or
and a
team
girl
boy?
cake. And
Boy.
she just gave me
Boy,
the
mira,
baby,
okay,
so we
okay.
have the right cake.
Team girl or team boy?
I would go for a girl.
Oh, okay. And are you team girl or team boy?
Oh man, I have girls, so I love girls. I'm a girl mom.
I told her though, I was like, I don't know, because they're my girls. So I kind of want a boy because they're my girls. But we'll see. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys, this is it. Here's Sienna. Sienna, there you go. Okay, guys, it's time. It's time. Oh my God. Wait, where are the champagne glasses? We're gonna dip a champagne glass in it. Are you sure you got the right cake?
So here's how my sister ruined the surprise for my husband. So originally we were supposed to hand her an envelope that the doctors gave us, and she was going to get a cake with blue inside and pink inside. She was supposed to not tell us. I was just gonna hand her the envelope, and then we were then gonna find out with the champagne, cutting it with the champagne. Well, my sister, because she has a big mouth, she's sitting there talking about it to my niece and my cousin, and my husband is literally in the other room. So he heard that, and by the time we got in front of the cake, he had heard her say, the one with the girl is the one with the white flower, not the yellow flower. And so my husband, before we even cut the cake, he was like, he kind of already had heard it. He was still hoping, I think, for a boy, but it was a girl. So he kind of knew, acted surprised. I was still really surprised though. But mi hermana, my sister, messed it up because she couldn't keep her mouth shut. But yeah, that's how she ruined the surprise for my husband.
Got the right cake. I checked like 3 times.
She did like triple.
I was like, wait, I got. I was like, if I get it wrong.
But then
like,
yesterday she's like, what if I tricked you?
And
That
I-
would be funny.
that would be so-
Oh my gosh. My mom has to go to the bathroom. Okay, Mom, don't worry. I'm not already anxious. Oh my God, look at it. Everyone's waiting. All right, we're going to see what it is, you guys. What it is. Oh my God, baby daddy. Team boy or team girl?
Team baby. Team baby.
We heard the heart rate today.
Team baby, yeah.
I was like, oh my gosh. So exciting. So exciting. Dun, 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 dun. This is it. Oh my God. I'm
Cheers.
nervous.
Cheers. What we doing it now?
Three.
We
Hold
are?
on.
Wait.
Oh my God, I'm nervous.
Yeah.
Okay,
Wait,
Okay, 3, 2.
Whoa, there we go. Oh. Oh, wow.
You gave on me, right?
Yeah.
Really? Oh,
It's a girl.
Boy mom. Or no,
Boy,
dad mom.
Girls
dad.
are really fun.
Go dad.
Oh my God, I
And
had
dramatic,
no idea
but
that
fun.
my dreams were so
Everybody,
wrong.
Is it a girl? Saying boy.
Yeah, it's a girl.
Niña.
I told you.
What?
Yeah.
A boy.
I thought a boy
forever.
too.
I don't know why.
Because I had
thought.
the easiest first trimester. No symptoms,
These
nothing.
girls are my best friends, though.
I know.
You're just so
But,
mean.
yeah.
I'm just kidding.
Berlin's mean.
You got cake in your hair.
Do I?
Yeah.
Can I have some? There's
Yeah.
We're gonna get some.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Wow, that's it, babe. How you feel?
Wow.
Okay.
A little
Now we
payout.
know. Now we know. Yeah.
Mike, you're gonna be so in love. Like you're gonna be
Oh
like
my
ridiculously in
gosh.
love.
He's gonna love her more than me.
Yes.
What do you think, mami? ¿Va a ser niña? ¿Estás feliz?
Yeah, I'm so happy. Because las niñas-
Happy, happy.
las
You
ni-
said
las
team
niñas-
girl.
Las niñas son más,
As long
más
as she's
nice.
healthy.
That's what I
Las
said.
niñas son
That's
más
what I
healthy.
said. Oh my god. Of course. It's gonna be like you. Oh god, it's just hopefully nicer. Come on, your
What?
reaction.
I mean, I thought everybody was saying boy, so I was kind of like, but I just left it up in the air, left it
Oh
up
my
to God.
gosh. Are you happy
So
though?
yeah, but I'm happy. Yeah, I'm still, my heart is still like beating.
Oh my
So,
god, yeah. Me too, me too. Oh my god. There you have it, you guys. It's gonna be a girl! Oh my gosh, she's gonna be a badass like me. And as Berlin. You're like. So yeah, I still can't believe we're having a girl.
Girl, dad.
Girl dad. He's gonna be the best girl dad though. I already know.
Yeah.
Drop a comment though. Let us know if you guys were team boy or team girl. And just thank you for everybody who's been part of this journey. Hopefully you'll continue to share this journey with us. You guys, it's our journey as first-time parents at 41. Our whole life's about to change. We're actually in a little staycation right now in this super nice suite in, was it Casino Morongo, taking advantage of all the non-baby days yet. This is a little mini baby moon. But again, thank you guys so much for being part of this, and until the next one, you guys, we'll see how the story continues to unfold. Thanks for hanging out with us today. Bye.